Hi again, Kevin Gallagher from Momentum Performance Coaching, and welcome to our 12 days to Christmas vlog, day number 10. So close now you can almost taste the turkey. And in today's tip I want to share with you a process to help you achieve your dreams and goals over the next 12 months.
On the 10th day of Christmas my true love sent to me.
This is where you dream and write down all the things you would love to create, experience and achieve in 2021. And thinking in terms of business, what would you like to create? If you could wave a magic wand, what would you wish for? Start with profit. How much profit do you want to make? How many hours a week will you work? What size will your team be? And now consider, when you achieve your goals, how will you reward yourself for that achievement? This reward can sometimes be your driver in moments of doubt, or moments when you may find yourself straying or being attracted to a bright shiny thing. So stay resilient and the reward will be yours. Remember to make your goals really specific and none of this fluffy I want more sales type nonsense. Specifically, what will your sales be? And when writing any goals, always think in terms of what you want, not what you don't want, because you will get what you focus on. So for instance, I don't want cash flow problems will actually produce you cash flow problems. Set a goal for the amount of cash you'll deposit in your bank each day, week or month. And never underestimate just what you're capable of achieving. And also at this stage, don't let yourself get bogged down into thinking just how you're going to achieve your goals. The how is not important at this stage. Now take your big list of wants for 2021 and prioritise it into which are your top 3 most important goals that you want to focus on over the next year. Not forgetting, of course, that if you achieve those, you are allowed to go back and pick some more. And whilst you've got that pen in your hand, consider each goal and write down why is it important for you to achieve this goal. And also, what would be the consequences if you chose not to go all in on the goal? And what you're doing here is creating yourself some towards and away from motivation. And now, a really important part of the process. Who do you need to become in order to bring each of these goals to life? What character traits, habits, skills will you need to develop or strengthen to make it possible for these goals to happen? Now imagine yourself in 12 months' time having become the person you needed to be to achieve your top 3 goals. And consider, what advice would that future you give to the present you? What would the future you tell the present you to start doing? What would the future you tell the present you to stop doing? What would the future you tell the present you to continue or improve doing? And what would the future you tell the present you to focus on more? Now this might sound a little strange, but you do need to understand that you do have all the answers inside, deep truths and intuitions that only you can know. And what you now have is a solid plan for achieving your goals in 2021. Simple yet powerful. Now if you're thinking to yourself, I haven't got time to do that, well that's fine. You just need to realise you won't be getting the benefit from taking yourself through it. It only works, so give it a go. You'll thank me later. I'll see you tomorrow for Christmas tip number 11. Thank you so much for watching. Now go out there and you make it a cracking day.